Making activated charcoal is a very easy process. There are many different ways of doing it. I like to use things that I have lying around at home. So as I have a dog, I use a dog food tin. Now you need to take your pieces and put them inside your tin. Remember to fill it up almost to the brim. Give it a good shake so it settles down to try and eliminate as much air gaps as possible. As I don't have a lid for this tin, I use soil or clay that I find in the ground. I just wet it down and smear it over the top. You can make charcoal from many different dried bits of wood, like these twigs here. Or you can use bark, or even canna. I generally make charcoal during the winter when I have my burner on. So first of all, light the fire. You can do this outside on an open fire. I then place the tin inside the fire and then build the fire up around it, and I let it burn for the night. If you have any questions about making charcoal and how to activate it, please ask me in the comments below and I'll get back to you. In the morning, when the can has cooled down and the fire has gone out, I take it outside and then I break open the seal, the clay, and inside I have good quality charcoal. I then wash the charcoal to get rid of any impurities like ash or clay. I then leave it to dry thoroughly until the next stage. The next stage is to ground the charcoal into a fine powder. You could use a pestle and mortar, but I prefer to use a machine. The next stage is to mix the powdered charcoal with either lemon juice and water, 1 part lemon juice, 3 parts water, or you could use 1 part bleach to 3 parts water, or you could use 1 part calcium chloride to 3 parts water. I prefer to use lemons, as for me it's more organic. If you are using lemons, just make sure to get rid of all the pips and bits out of the lemon juice. Now you need to thoroughly mix the lemon juice and water with the charcoal. Mix it very well until you have a consistent paste. Cover it with a piece of tin foil or bit of plastic or a cloth and leave it overnight to soak. After 24 hours and the lemon juice and the charcoal has soaked, it needs to be cleaned. It's best to use distilled water or water that's been boiled and just rinse it through a cloth, strain it and then put it into the oven. It needs to be cooked for about 3 hours on a high heat. And now you have activated charcoal. It is best to put this into a jar, seal it and put it in a cool dark place to keep until you need to use it.